so both of us turned 26 recently. Like ये मुझसे 10 साल sorry 10 दिन छोटी है. But yeah, both of us turned 26 and हम अभी ऐसे for our evening stroll we came to a beautiful place.
To see this is
Yes.
very nice. And you can even hear the birds in the background.
Right.
Yeah. The only thing that we're missing is like a very good
Hawa. Yeah. So we decided कि we will write a letter to our younger self, right?
Right, right.
Um,
Us in 2027.
Yes.
Something that we will open when we're turning 27.
Yes, it will have both a vision of our past as well as हमारा future का vision. तो
हाँ.
फिर we'll be doing that.
A letter to us.
Yeah.
To ourselves.
And बीच में of course we'll be yapping about life. She's missing an introduction here.
Hi
so
guys, I'm Ankita. We met at a company. We were working together. At first, she didn't like me at all.
Yeah. So when I used to be a content writer, that is when we met, and she used to be my editor. I was a senior writer there, and
Right.
she joined in as an editor. And जो मेरी editor होती थी उस time पे, chief editor होती थी, I said to her that I'm not liking her the way she's editing. And later एक point ऐसा आया जहाँ पर I never wanted कि कोई और editor मेरा काम edit करे या go through करे. I always wanted her. So that is we came a full circle. It was a moment for us, and now after that we became friends. Like I left the company, she also left the company, and Touchwood is
I
at
think
a very good
a lot
place
of things
now.
happened after that. Right?
Yeah, and still we catch up. We do take time to catch up, chat and sit,
Very nice.
which she doodles quite well.
Once in a while. Gigi. Oh.
Gigi, actually giraffe को मैंने Gigi कर दिया. By the way, how does it feel being 26 now?
I don't know. You know, before that, I used to think that people who are 26, you know, they have their life figured out. They're like so mature and they have everything figured out, what they want to do, how, you know, life is going. But now that I'm 26, I kind of feel that I'm still the kid, you know, that I used to
Right.
be when I was 19, and still figuring out stuff, still kind of, you know, learning as I go. But I think with age, you know, people expect like a lot from you. They expect that you have, you know, a nice job, maybe, you know,
A house, a car,
yeah.
everything sorted basically.
But I think one thing I would say कि जो ये अभी phase चल रहा है ना, I think this is the best phase of our life, because now we
Yeah, I love
are
it.
like earning our money, we get to do what we want to do, and there's
Right.
nobody telling us that you have this to achieve, you have this to achieve, because
Right.
right कि
Yes.
वो उसमें पानी का वो भी आ रहा है,
मैं
glitter कर रहा है.
वही that's what I'm looking at right now.
I used to
By
think
the
कि-
way, जब so there is a question. जब तुम छोटी थी, what did you want to become?
Dang. अब पता है when I was in 9th, I think तब I wanted to become an ethical hacker. That's like related to computer science. and all.
Ethical hacker.
Yeah. But I think after that, you know, life ने बोला कि अंकिता, अभी तो बहुत कुछ जानना है आपको. You have to do a lot of stuff. What about you? What did you want to become when you were like a little?
When I was in 5th, I wanted to be a teacher. Then उसके बाद I wanted to be a fashion designer. मेरी जो नोटबुक्स, मैं इतना पिटी हूँ अपने टीचर से, बिकॉज मेरी हर नोटबुक में मैम होमवर्क के लिए कॉपी चेक कर रहे थे, उसमें ड्राइंग्स होती थी छोटी छोटी इतनी सारी. So I wanted to be a fashion designer. फिर उसके बाद when I stepped into 10th standard, that is when it got clear कि I want to step into the field of law. अब वो जज बनना है, आपको
Also,
लॉयर
like, did
बनना है.
something trigger it? Like, did something, you know?
No, my father was an advocate and I quite liked the adventurous life sort of thing. तो ये था, ऐसा कुछ स्पेसिफिक भी नहीं था. That is when I decided. फिर 12 के बाद तो मैंने इंग्लिश ऑनर्स ले लिया, तो वो लॉ एक बैक स्टेज पे चले गया वाला थॉट. जब मैं अपने मास्टर्स का फॉर्म भर रही थी, एंड दैट इज़ व्हेन माय फादर सेड टू मी कि तुमको तो लॉ करना चाहिए, बिकॉज आई वाज ऑलवेज इनटू पब्लिक स्पीकिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. तो इवन ही फेल्ट दैट आई शुड गो इनटू दैट field, and now here I am, an advocate.
You also love watching
Again.
documentaries, right?
I love watching documentaries. I love watching surgeries. I want to be a doctor also. भाई बीच में how did I forget that? So मैं बायो को छोड़ के बाकी सब में खराब थी, मैथ्स, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री. तो फिर अगेन बायो डॉक्टरी वाज डॉक्टरी.
emotional, damn it.
मेडिकल वॉज नॉट इवन अ थिंग, बट आज तक मैं ऐसी कोई सर्जरी नहीं है जो मैंने नहीं देखी है.
Oh.
ब्रेन ट्यूमर से लेके सी सेक्शंस और
Dan, तुमने देखा है लाइक
सब. आई वॉच एवरीथिंग. वही वो वाला गाना बज रहा है. ब्राज़ील ब्राज़ील. I'll be very honest with you. I have some different different, what's the right word to fit in? Editor. No.
different
Editor.
2,000 years later.
Love towards women. Ambitious women. I mean women. I have very few female friends, but the ones I have, they are super ambitious, strong women, including her. I mean, I'm not sugarcoating anything, but meet any of my friends and no one is just sitting and not doing. Even if they're sitting, they'll be thinking something productive, and
Exactly.
everybody's out there and doing, you know, trying to achieve something in their
They have
lives.
the
And
goals of their
yes,
own,
and I
right?
so love this about my female friends. Oh, by the way, good question for you I have in my brain. Like when girls turn even 24, people start asking them about their marriage. What about your views on marriage? When would you want to marry, or when your family wants you to marry, anything like
Well,
that?
I think you should only marry when you genuinely love the other person. It should never be because you have to. Marriage is supposed to be you do that because you want to. You genuinely want to spend the rest of your life with somebody who
What
care
if-
for you.
What if it's an arranged marriage and the family just give, because it happens to many women,
Exactly,
many women
yeah,
around us.
this happens. The thing is, right, in my family alone, I think we have seen very bad marriages.
Oh.
So this is one of the reasons that my parents, they never forced me to get married just for the sake of it.
Oh, that's
And this is
very
something
good.
that I have learned along the way as well, because
Right.
this is my view. Yeah. Agar aap meri
I'll show you.
imagination
I'll show you what she has drawn. She is a very good artist, no doubt, but I don't know what she has done right.
So tell me, what do you want to achieve by the end of the next year? Like same day next year, where do you want to see yourself?
A good healthy body.
A good healthy body.
आई एम हेल्दी राइट नाउ, बट आई वांट टू स्टेप वन स्टेप, बिकॉज मैंने अपनी लाइफ में एक चीज़ सीख ली है. आपका सक्सेस की डेफिनेशन बहुत अलग हो सकती है, हर दिन बदलेगी. सो बेसिकली आप एक ऐसी चीज़ को अचीव करना चाह रहे हो जो रोज़ ऐसे 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 जाती रहेगी, और उस चीज़ को पाने के लिए हमारी जनरेशन करेंटली मैं देख रही हूँ कि हम अपनी हेल्थ को उतने प्रायोरिटाइज नहीं करते हैं. आई डू द सेम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स. कई बार ऐसा होता है मैं कोर्ट के लिए भागने के लिए लेट हो रही हूँ तो मैं ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं करूँगी, बस भागे जा रही हूँ. खाना तभी खाया जाएगा जब ब्रेक मिलेगा, सो विच इज़ रॉन्ग. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट टू डू, कि नाउ आई वांट टू बी हेल्दी, बिकॉज वंस यू आर हेल्दी यू कैन अचीव एनीथिंग. यू विल हैव द एनर्जी टू डू दैट. आई हैव नो अदर गोल्स फॉर दैट. बाकी गोल्स तो चेंज होते रहेंगे. आई विल कीप accomplishing them one by one. Being healthy. What about you?
I have a lot of goals.
Bit.
I think by this time next year, I want to achieve the financial goal that I've set for myself. That's number one. I want to at least do one track. Godji, please, Bhagwan ji, sun lo meri baat.
Maybe we'll doing it together.
Maybe, who knows?
Yeah.
And I want to climb the corporate ladder. The goal that I've set for myself, I want to
Okay.
accomplish it by the end of this year. Another thing I want to do is I want to take my mother to a very what do we say that bhakti wali place.
वैष्णो माता
हाँ जी,
types.
ऐसी जगह. हाँ, because the thing is now my mother she has been to very less places in her life, so the goal of my life is to take her to everywhere, wherever she wants to go.
Very
So
good.
that is
I
one
hope you
thing.
do that.
And, yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. Yeah.
Very good. Even this is for everyone out there, because I also feel this कि भाई तुम कितने ही cool बन जाओ, कितनी पढ़ाई लिखाई, whatever you do in your life, but please don't start abusing or questioning your culture, your roots, where you come from. I mean, question only when it is reasonable, but yes, don't start abusing everything. I mean, just to sound cool, don't start smoking, drinking, whatever. So before we end this vlog, do you have anything else to say?
Not really.
So I'll definitely.
Manu, if you're watching this, we love you.
We
and
love
we
you.
miss you. And we'll be there for you very soon.
Very
okay?
soon.